As we stand on the cusp of a new year, let's not merely hope for change, but actively cultivate it. Imagine 2024 as your canvas, waiting for the vibrant strokes of your decisions to create a masterpiece. Instead of passively waiting for success, let's seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Take the initiative to make positive changes in your life, whether big or small. Smile more. It's a simple act that can radiate positively, not only brightening your day, but the days of those around you. Approach each day with enthusiasm, for excitement is the fuel that propels us towards our goals. Consider decluttering your life, both physically and emotionally. Let go of possessions that no longer serve a purpose, and release yourself from the weight of negative emotions. Surround yourself with positivity by distancing from those who drain your energy. Embrace the power of gratitude. A thankful heart attracts more reasons to be thankful. In the pursuit of personal growth, challenge yourself with new experiences. The path of self-discovery often lies in doing things that push your boundaries. Be brave in the face of uncertainty, for it is through challenges that we reveal our true strength. Adjust your daily routine to cultivate a healthy lifestyle. Going to bed early and waking up early can transform your days, providing you with a fresh perspective and ample time to pursue your passions. Harness the early hours for self-reflection and productive endeavors. Let 2024 be the year you actively shape your destiny. Take charge, be resilient, and let the spirit of positivity guide you towards a year filled with growth, joy, and accomplishment. Embrace the journey with an open heart and watch as the chapters of 2024 unfold into a story of your own making. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day and a great year.